Before we get into the video, I'd like to mention that I've partnered with products and service provider to bring you tools and resources that can help you achieve your goal in this video. The link in the description is an affiliate link, and by using it, you will be supporting this channel at no additional cost to you. This helps me continue creating valuable content for you. Once you click on the link, you will come to this website, and here click form your free LLC now. Once you click entity type, you will select LLC, and state, here we will select Nevada. So once you select state as Nevada, you will come to these three plan page, and what you see here is the basic plan where the service provider does not charge any money. You are a non-resident, there are few things like you need a registered agent who is physically in that state. That service you would need. Then you will need the hand-holding when it comes to EIN business tax number, where interacting with IRS will become challenge if you are outside of US. So if you see, all in all, it makes sense to either go with the standard or premium package, as everything would be bundled into these package, and you will get operating agreement, EIN tax number, business contract template, and all of these things. Either going with standard or premium is recommended. Whatever you choose, you'll be able to see the order summary here as you go ahead with form filling. So once you have selected your option, let me choose premium here, and then get started. You'll enter the LLC name. So I'm entering the LLC name here. It's called Cypher 40 Consulting. And once I enter that designator, I'm keeping as LLC. All these designators, you can choose whatever you want based on what you have thought. This is how my official company name will get displayed. Once this is done, click next. Here, contact information, first name, last name, email address, phone number. I am entering Canada retail as a non-resident. And once your country phone number is entered, this is to receive SMS, text message, or phone call from Bizee. So once this is done, you click next. Company address information. So here, since you're outside, you would need a business address or a virtual mail service. Of course, you will not have your own address in this state. When you choose this, you will be assigned suite number. This will be the address. Suite number will get assigned later. And this is $29 per month chargeable, which you can cancel anytime. So I'm keeping as it is. And then contact address, here enter the country where you are, that address for communication. So once that is entered, here I am selecting Canada, and all the address details are entered, and click next. Select number of member, here I am selecting 1 and keeping individual, and name, use assigned company address provided by Bizee. So once that is done, let me come down and click next. So registered agent, as I said, you would need a registered agent who is receiving all legal document and annual report, and that person has to be physically in that state. You would need that. This service is free for first year, which is valued at $119, and you can choose this service. Click next. Since you are a non-resident and foreigner, the selection will be yes. And when you do that, you have to prepare SS4 application. This happens after you do the registration. You will get the registration document, and with that, you will fill up this SS4 application, and based on the SS4 application, IRS will issue you EIN. So they will inform you when to fill this application. I agree, and then I'm selecting name as it is, and then selecting the physical address as it is, and then click next. They have type with relay, so if you want, you can go and select that option. Yes, I'm interested. If not, you can go and choose ask me later. So once you choose, you will come to this page, tax strategy, free consultation. So if you're interested, you can say yes. If not, you can say no, and then click continue. This is the business license and permit section. Again, if you need the service, you can go and add this, and if not, select the option, then click next. Order summary page gives you chance to review your document. You can correct if you want to do any correction here. You have these edit sections, then review thoroughly whatever entry has been made, and once all details have been checked, click next. You have to pay with PayPal or credit card. So I'm making selection with credit card. Once credit card details are entered, click I agree, and then you get to review the final payment, complete and pay. While the payment is done, the company will go ahead and get the registration done for you. Also send you form, fill SS4, and then once you get your EIN, you are ready to get going with your business. So friends, make sure you use the link below to get all the benefit what is shown, and thanks for watching.